Hello everyone! In this video, we will explore the Magento 2 Geolocation Currency Converter. This feature automatically detects the customer's location and displays prices in their country's currency, providing a seamless shopping experience. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. To enable the module, navigate to Store and then Configuration. Enable the module by selecting Yes. Then fill in the Fixer API key and click the Save Configuration button. Once the configuration is saved, click on the Import Rates option. The currency rates will now be imported successfully. Click OK to close the pop-up. Along with this, the admin can configure the cron option to import the updated prices on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. After setting up the configuration, click on the Save Configuration button. Now we are moving to the front end. Here, the converted price will be visible on the category page, the product page, and also in the cart and checkout pages. Along with this, the customer can check the converted price for wishlist items and for compare products. The customer can also check the converted prices in the search results. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.